Part of the Assemble pillar, relationship recognizes that other people play a significant role in our lives and deserve sincere and careful attention as we build synergistic teams. It also highlights, for good or for bad, the fact that the people we're surrounded by have a direct impact on our lives, our habits, our safety, and our health. When we build relationships with those who energize us, who see the best in us, who have our best interests in mind, who hold us accountable, who help us maintain perspective, and who complement our strengths, we can experience the synergy of having the whole be greater than the sum of the individual parts. Relationship works with the other Assemble elements to provide what's needed to move forward and stay engaged in your journey to purpose.